and I am live on Facebook and LinkedIn, and I'm going to review a TED Talk which I saw. The title of the TED Talk is The Danger of a Single Story, and the speaker of the TED Talk is Chemenda Ngozi from the Nigeria. But this TED Talk, before going to give my reflection on this TED Talk, I want to introduce you people with the speaker of this TED Talk. I want to tell you the short biography of the speaker. I made some notes about the biography of the speaker, that is the Chemenda Ngozi. She is a Nigerian author and a speaker. She is born on September 15, 1977 in Nigeria. She grew up on a university campus where both her parents worked, her father as a professor and her mother as a registrar. Adichie studies communication and political sciences in the United States and later earned advanced degree in creative writing and African history. Her writing explores themes such as identity, feminism, colonialism, and culture. And she has written many famous books, including Purple Hibiscus, Half of a Yellow Sun, and Americana. These works have won major awards and brought her international fame. She is also known for her influential TED Talk like The Danger of a Single Story and another TED Talk with the title We Should All Be Feminist. Her ideas about storytelling, feminism, and equality have made her a powerful global voice in contemporary literature and social thoughts. So, the TED Talk which I saw today, I want to review that TED Talk. First of all, I want to tell you the overall main message of the speaker. What the speaker wants to say. The speaker, Chemenda Adichie, explains that when people hear only one version of a story about a person, about a community, or about a culture, they often form incomplete and unfair beliefs about that person or the group or the country or the culture. This limited perspective, what she calls a single story, leads to stereotypes and misunderstandings because it ignores the full complexity of real human lives. She emphasized that hearing only one narrative about people reduces them to just one idea or stereotype. Then she tells that even if a stereotype has some truth, it is still incomplete and does not show the whole reality. When we only know one story, for example, that all Africans are poor or all the people are a certain way, then our understanding becomes narrow and wrong. The key idea which she shares is that personal experiences as a child in Nigeria, she read mostly British and American books. So she thought that the stories which she read in the books had to be about foreigners and snowy places. These are not about her own life. Only later, when she read African writers, she understands that stories can reflect her own culture and identity too. Second key point is the stereotypes hurt people. When her college roommate assumed that she couldn't speak English, this revealed a simplistic and biased story about Africa that ignored its diversity. Third point, which she explained in her TED Talk, is that stories and power. She explained that powerful groups often decide which stories are told more often. So, some voices gets heard while others are ignored. This shapes how the world sees certain people or the places. Next point is multiple stories matter. Hearing many different stories about a person or a culture help us see them as complex human and full of differences, not just one flat image. So, what I learned from this TED talk? What are the lessons which I learned from this TED talk? Are number one, seek diverse perspective. Always try to learn more than one version of a story so you do not fall into stereotyping. Second lesson which I learned from this TED talk is respect dignity. When people are shown in many ways, not just one simple idea, their full humanity become visible. Third point, be aware of your own assumptions. Even we sometimes form single stories about others without real evidence. Being mindful helps us understand others better. Next point is stories can heal. When we reject single stories and listen to many voices, we begin to see the richness and complexity of every person and culture. So, the summary of the TED Talk should be, or according to me, is that the central idea of the speaker is that listening to only one version, or reading, or understanding, or adopting from one version of someone's story is dangerous because it simply simplifies and limits our understanding. We should instead seek many stories about people and places so that we view others with great fairness, respect, and empathy. So, this is my review of the TED Talk which I saw today. I think that this reflection will guide you or will help you to understand different cultures and different people. I will come again with my this virtual studio, the reflection room, with another review of the TED Talk or anything else. Till then, take care yourself and be humble and soft and always open to learn new things. Take care yourself. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.